Now, previously we obtained I2 and I1. We called them I3 and I2 last time, but clearly voltage drop across here. If this voltage drop is 3 ohms, 3 volts, then since you have 6 volts between here and here, this has got to be 3. Okay? Now, when we set up loop equations, you know, we don't just reason it out directly like that, but in this case we can. Okay, because this is a very simple case actually. Okay, so we have the 0.3 amps here and a 3 volt drop here. And then we have 0.6 amps here and 6 volt drop naturally between here and here. So we've got our 6 volt drop here, but we have to calculate our voltage drop due to the inductor, okay? And this is our voltage drop. Okay, so it's 0.03 Henry times di3 dt. Henry is a volt per amp per second, so that when you multiply it by your di3 dt, which is in amps per second, you get volts. It's the unit that we have to multiply by this unit to get this unit, okay? And that's, of course, is a volt second per amp. Another way to just say the same thing. So we multiply it out, we get 2.4 volts across here, leaving us 3.6 volts to give us our total voltage drop of 6 volts across this part of the circuit, meaning that we have 3.6 volts through R3, so that, then I got R3 here. I3, the current through R3, is 3.6 volts over 10 ohms, 0.36 amps. Yes, Lee?
We got 2 I3s.
Again?
I said we have 2 I3s.
That was just the estimate.
That was just,
That's just the number we estimated with. That's the actual number that should be.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is I3. So I say I3 is 0.4 amp.
That's pretty close.
Yeah, well,
Pretty close.
that was just a ballpark, okay?
Right.
So, we gotta get rid of this, because this is inconsistent with everything else, right? And as I said, there's no reason to suppose that these numbers here are gonna be consistent. So we just found one inconsistency. Okay, now that really is the only inconsistency, I think. I'm never totally sure of anything, and I'm often wrong, so, you know, watch me. But as long as I don't throw a resistor in here to mess things up, okay, this is totally possible, okay? Well, now I'm going to throw a resistor in so I can mess things up, okay? And then I'm going to have to throw in some more currents. Now let's just go ahead and throw in a 10 ohm resistor right here, okay? And see what that does. Now, first of all, don't start calculating using formulas. Think what's going to happen as a result of having a resistor here, okay?